Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to do grammar part of words and expression 2 class 10th, unit number 1, a letter to God, page number 7. And in last video, we have completed till vocabulary part, and link of that video is in description. Go and check it out. So let's begin with solutions of grammar part. What we have to do is very simple. We have to complete these sentences. Like हमें यहाँ से ये लाइन्स उठानी है और इन sentences में ऐड करनी है जिससे ये sentences complete हो जाए. First one is already done for us. Let's begin with answer solution of B1. That is, a dictionary is a book which contains meaning of words. So you are gonna write, a dictionary is a book which contains meaning of words. Yeah. Next one is, the book is about a scientist who won the Nobel Prize. So this is last second sentence from the box. Then you are going to write, who won the Nobel Prize. Yeah. Next sentence is G1, that is, what is the name of the player who hit a century, which is fifth one sentence from the box. Who hit a century. If you wanna add like WH family, then you can, because it's gonna make the sentence fully completed. Next is E1, I don't like people who tell lies, which is third sentence from the box. Yeah, I don't like people who tells lies. Next one is, what is the name of the actor who won the best actor award this year, which is fourth sentence from the upper box. Wait, let me change color. Yeah. What is the name of the actor? You're going to write, who won the best actor award this year. Yeah. After that, you are going to add question mark. Next sentence is G1. G है. Next sentence is G, जिसका आंसर आएगा, students need to fill in the application. You are going to write the same here in the space provided. Students, comma, who need to fill in the application. Yeah. Next is H1. Friends of the trader thought the tailor is, or you can like by adding slash, was a crook. According to this, they have written is, so you are going to write is a crook. Next is Lencho thought God would help him. Lencho, then you are going to write Lencho, who was faithful yeah, which is in the which is seventh word of this table. Next is J, those will succeed, those who believe in hard work, yeah. Let me settle this. Next is K1, God help those who help themselves. God help those who help themselves. Who help themselves. So with this we are done with our grammar part. Let's begin with editing part, that is on 8th page number. So next we are having editing part on 8th page number. What we have to do, we have to add some words in the given sentences because these sentences are incompleted without that words. So let's begin. First word we are going to add is between pesos and help. What we are going to add? Pesos as help. As help. Yeah. इसका साइज वगैरह हम स्मॉल कर लेते हैं. Next is B1. That is, I am very for this kind gesture. What you are going to write between very and for? I am very grateful for. You are going to add grateful. Very grateful for. Grateful. Next, you were my only and your. You are going to write word between only and. You are going to add only, hope and. Next we are having D. Help has my faith in you. You are going to add help has my faith in you. आप my और has के बीच में ऐड करोगे. has strength my. Yeah. Next, this money will help me until the crop. You're going to add between me and until. Me greatly until. Next, and I promise to hard in the future. Sincerely yours, Lencho. You're going to add a word between to and hard. That is to work hard. To work hard. Yeah. So with this we are done with our editing part. Next is our listening part. What we have to do, we have to complete story as two tables are provided, story A and B. So let's begin with solutions. In this box, firstly we are going to write they would talk. They would talk, laugh and crack jokes together. Yeah. Next, the pending story is on 9th page number. So let's move. Here we are going to write in second of. It was a delightful meeting and all enjoyed it. मुझे इसका साइज वगैरह स्मॉल कर लेने दो. So next we are going to write, what we are going to write here is his suggestion was received with a mixed reaction. Next we are going to write here is A majority, 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 just wait, reacted favorably, favorably, and awaited anxiously, as to what would happen. Yeah. Next, what we are going to write here is but Kho shut. Wait, yaar. But Kho insisted that he ran faster than him. Sorry, home लिख दिया. Next, here we are going to write many of the animals wondered at it. Next, here we are going to write all looked anxious. Next, in 8th one we are going to write they looked at each other in surprise and wonder. Wonder. Next, in 9th one we are going to write soon all animals lined up the path meant for the race to enjoy it. Next, in 10th one we are going to write it was deliberated as to how to start a race. Next, 11th one. Kho ran the fastest and left Cho far behind. Next, in 12th one, you are going to write he stopped, wondered as to what was happening to Chocho. इसका नाम साइज थोड़ा सा स्मॉल कर लेते हैं. या now it's perfect. Wondered as to what is this adding, yaar? Wondered, yeah, now it's correct. Next, 13th. He waited for him. 14th we are having soon Chocho reached there where Koko was resting. Next 15th Koko was wonder-struck and could do nothing. Next 16th, that is last one, Chocho was declared the winner of the race. Yeah. So with this we are done with our listening part. Next we are having speaking part, which you have to speak in class or whatever here is mentioned. You have to do the same, and you no need to do this on this book because this is speaking part. Next we are having writing part. So let's begin with that. Yes guys, so exact solutions of writing part begins from 12 page number. So I have started the video from 12 and 11th मैंने leave कर दिया था because उस पर कुछ नहीं था. So let's begin with solutions. You are going to write here. पहले तो आप ऊपर लिखोगे being religious. यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे जिससे सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे राइट अ लेटर टू गॉड फॉर हेल्प. जस्ट वेट. Yeah. Next you are going to write, does he harm any by his action? Then you are going to write answer of the same. No, he doesn't harm. Next question, how do others think of him? You are going to write they think of him as a simpleton. Sorry. Yeah. Wait. It's fine. Next, what is your judgment of him? Then you are going to write your judgment. I salute. His simplicity and innocence. Yeah, you are going to write here only. Next, he received 17 pesos and he thought 30 pesos had been stolen. Yeah, you are gonna explain this sentence or simplify the same. And you are going to write it is his simplicity and belief. So next we are having that same, we have to write character sketch of Lencho and the tailor. And one more thing, like it is I think from your first flight. So आपको वैसे ही आपको आ सकता है एग्जाम में, like write character sketch of Lencho. ये बिकॉज मोस्टली एग्ज़ाम में आया है, पिछली 10th को भी आया था। व्हाट आर करेक्टर्स स्केच ऑफ लेंचो, ये 4 से 5 नंबर में आ जाता है, सो आप इसका भी ध्यान रखें। सो यहाँ पे हम एक बार मैं आपको थोड़े से एक्शंस लिखवा देती हूँ। पहले हम इसे रब कर लेते हैं। या सो फर्स्टली वी आर गोइंग टू राइट सम एक्शंस, एक्शन जिसकी वजह से हम मतलब बता सकते हैं कि वो इनोसेंट क्यों था। फॉर रेन writes a letter to God, receives money through short. Next, writes another letter, and after this what you are going to do, मुझे इसका साइज स्मॉल कर लेने दो बिकॉज ये थोड़ा सा लेंथी हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा नहीं। सो आप एट द सेम टाइम आप एक्शंस टेलर के भी लिखोगे। एक्शन टॉक्स involves the trader in his crafty and wily art of stealing and next talks while stealing and hide extra pieces in his या सो हमने लाइक पहले एक्शंस लिख दिए, अब हम इनकी क्वालिटीज़ वगैरह लिख सकते हैं। एक्शंस के बाद लाइक क्वालिटीज़ मीन्स करैक्टर स्केच लिख सकते हैं, एक्शन के बाद आप क्वालिटीज़ भी लिख सकते हो। लाइक रुक जो हम लिख ही देते हैं थोड़ी बहुत ही, जिसकी वजह से ये आंसर हमारा अट्रैक्टिव बन जाएगा। क्वालिटीज़ like extremely devoted to God, has faith in him, simple hearted। या इनफ, ज़्यादा लेंथी भी नहीं कर सकते। फिर आप उधर उसकी क्वालिटीज़ लिख दोगे टेलर की। इट्स योर विश वेदर यू वांट टू राइट एक्शंस क्वालिटीज़ और डायरेक्ट यू वांट टू राइट लाइक कैरेक्टर स्केच, बट आई एम गोना सजेस्ट यू टू राइट द सेम because with this your answer is gonna be attractive, clever, crafty. Next, steals, mean-natured. Sorry, no, you are going to write, yeah, add this one, mean-natured. Yeah, so finally we are going to write character sketch of Lencho, which is the basic answer of this question. Character sketch, just a second, yeah, character sketch, आप यहाँ पे लेंचो के लिख सकते हो। वेट, sketch, या तो करेक्टर स्केच हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे after that Lencho is a man full of faith in God that earns a survival, then partial. After that, you're going to write Lencho becomes spectacle about other human beings. Lencho is a loyal servant, then you are going to write Lencho is a loyal servant of God. Yeah. So at the other hand, we are going to compare the tailor. Guys, seriously saying, actually I'm not well. That is why I'm not making, like, I'm trying my best, but due to health conditions I'm not making, like, आपको आवाज़ वगैरह अच्छे से नहीं आ रही होगी, शायद थोड़ी सी स्लो होगी, बट आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. एंड वीडियो डाली को भी काफ़ी टाइम हो गया था, एंड आपके कमेंट्स भी आ रहे थे दैट मैम प्लीज़ पोस्ट ए वीडियो. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू पोस्ट वीडियो या करेक्टर स्केच. अदरवाइज़ आप मेरे कोई भी वीडियो देख सकते हो, मैं इतना लेज़ी होके नहीं बोलती. जस्ट इन दिस वीडियो बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेल. या करेक्टर स्केच. You're going to write Taylor, and sorry for that. Taylor is someone, and I'm gonna post my videos now continuously. Just because of health issues I was unable to post, so sorry guys, and keep supporting. Taylor is someone who relies on his tricks to fulfill his needs, and deserves the tailor trust his wit and skills of theory. या सो आप जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, हमने पहले एक्शंस लिखे लेंचो के, एंड एट द सेम टाइम हमने एक्शंस लिखे टेलर के. देन वी हैव रोट क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ लेंचो, एंड आफ्टर दैट क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ टेलर, एंड आफ्टर दैट द बेसिक थिंग व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट इज दैट कैरेक्टर स्केच. हमने वो भी लिख दिए लेंचो के, एंड हेयर हमने टेलर के भी लिख दिए. या लेट मी सेटल दिस. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट. बाकी मैंने साथ साथ में बोला, आपको समझ आ ही गया होगा. या सो लेट्स बिगिन विद सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस, दैट इज़ ऑन 13th पेज नंबर. In that we have to do nothing. We have to do like we have to read the description, by which if you're going to read, like, then it will be helpful to do. And this on 14th page number, in which we have to write character sketch of Ravi and Mohini. सो हाँ, मैं अभी डायरेक्ट 14th पेज से स्टार्ट करूँगी, बिकॉज 13th पेज पे कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जिसके आपको सोल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड किए जाएँ. या सो लेट्स बिगिन विद 14th पेज नंबर. Yeah, so guys, here we are having we have to write character sketch of Ravi and Mohini, and heading I think पिछले पेज पे दी हुई थी, जो मैंने स्किप करवा दिया बिकॉज उस पर कुछ ऐसा नहीं था जिसके आपको सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड किए जाएं. सो लाइक मैं यहाँ पे आंसर्स आपको प्रोवाइड तो करूँगी, बट मैं तब वीडियो फास्ट कर दूँगी, उसकी मैं स्पीड कर दूँगी 6x, जिसकी वजह से लाइक आपको वीडियो भी ना ज़्यादा लंबी हो. एंड आई नो वेरी वेल दैट इट्स क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट टू वॉच like long videos. So let's begin with solutions of the same. सो गाइज here we are having practice sketch of Ravi and इसका आप एक बार लाइक स्क्रीनशॉट टाइप कुछ ले सकते हो जो आपको लाइक जैसे आप कंफर्टेबल हो, या वीडियो पॉज करके देख लो बिकॉज आई एम गोना रेज द सेम एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट प्रैक्टिस sketch of Mohini. So let's begin with the same. So guys, as you can see here we are having practice sketch of Mohini, and let's begin with next part, that is project, that is on 15 page number. So without taking your time, let's begin with the same. Yeah, so next on 15th page number we are having project work which you have to do on your own, because what you have to do, you have to across like will talk some people in your neighbor who might have inspired you with their actions, and like you have to talk about these topics which are given below and you have to collect the information of the same. And on 16th पेज नंबर में भी आपको आइडिया सा दिया हुआ है जैसे ये आप कैसे कर सकते हो. सो यू कैन डू दिस इन group 2 and no need to write the same on your words and expression book, because this project we have to do physically and we have to write it on the piece of the paper and we have to show it in our class. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This was all about unit 1 of words and expression 2 class 10th. And guys, as you know, I was not well, as मैंने आपको पहले बता ही दिया था. I think I'm posting this video after 3-4 weeks. Yeah, and thank you for cooperating and supporting me, and guys, keep supporting because next video is coming very soon. And if this video is helpful for you guys, then kindly give this video a big thumbs up.